This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make jerk shrimp, only way. Combine scallions, thyme, allspice, scotch bonnet, garlic, ginger, soy, lime, brown sugar, and oil. Then toss shrimp until evenly coated. Marinate at least 30 minutes. Preheat a hot grill or skillet. Sear shrimp 1 to 2 minutes per side until opaque and charred. Then finish with a squeeze of lime and fresh cilantro for serving. Start by measuring spices precisely for a balanced jerk paste that sings without overpowering the shrimp. Pulse scallions, thyme, allspice, garlic, ginger, scotch bonnet, brown sugar, soy, lime, and oil to a coarse paste. Adjust salt to taste. Coat shrimp thoroughly and chill to let flavors meld while you prepare sides. When cooking, maintain high heat for quick sear and avoid overcooking to keep the shrimp tender and juicy. If you are enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like if it is helpful. It really supports us. Quick recommendation: the containers I use make meal prep and marinades a breeze and keep everything leak-proof, perfect for transporting shrimp to picnics or parties. Look in the description for the link and other deals so you can pick them up. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Heat a heavy skillet or grill until almost smoking for that signature char and flavor. Add a small amount of oil, place marinated shrimp in a single layer, and sear 1 to 2 minutes per side until opaque and lightly charred. Work in batches to avoid steaming and rest briefly before serving. Finish with a squeeze of lime, sprinkle of cilantro, and optional sliced scallions to lift the flavors for a lively, satisfying plate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.